Hi, I Naveen Srivastav. Welcome in YouTube channel of SBP Vidya Vihar. Hello student, how are you? Today class is only for class 5 for computer science. Today I am giving you more idea in Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft Word is a word processing application software used to create or develop beautiful and attractive format of document. So in this way, Microsoft Word 2010 provide you many new features. It means latest features you have seen on Microsoft Word 2010. Okay. New menu, features, menu, sub-menu, scroll taskbar. Every information of Microsoft Word 2010 you can seen on the front window of MS Word. Okay. Insert tab. This tab includes clip art, shapes, auto shapes, pictures, picture from gallery, symbol, auto shape, arithmetical symbol, character map, everything you can used in Microsoft Word 2010. Otherwise, you know very well, mail merge, newspaper format, magazine format, register format, diary, calendar, every kind of written or text format you can seen on the Microsoft Word 2010. If I want to talk about word art, as a name suggests, word art. What type of art? What type of art you have to apply in text or word? It means word art is a special features of Microsoft Word. Is used to add pictures and apply various style to make your document more attractive and professional. For this, click on Insert tab, click on Word Art option, then various style of word or text style you can see on the screen. If you want to apply any one style, then you have to click on that style. Click 2 times on that style. Then this style will be insert in your Word document. If you want to format your word, format your text, then you have to do click on formatting word art, click on insert tab word art and choose any one word art style. If you want to apply any other color, background color in your Word document, then you have to use word style or word art. Next topic is how to apply or write text in a shape. You know very well, shape means circle, rectangle, oval, star, arrow, every direction of arrow. You can take any shapes that related with your education or in your environment. It means you take any shape from auto shape box or tab in MS Word. Inserting symbol. Symbol means you know very well, plus, minus, multiply, greater than, question mark, H, star. This is the style of symbol of mathematics or arithmetics. This symbol also provided by Microsoft Word. Okay. If you want to apply any symbol in Microsoft Word, then you will be click on Insert tab, click on Symbol, then list of symbol will be appear on the screen, and then you select any one and apply in your document. This is the simple or latest features include in Microsoft Word. Student, if you have any doubt, you have to insert or mark this problem in your book as well as in your copy. Already I have complete right here on the screen all the question answer of this lesson, chapter 4. Okay. Answer this question, question number D. I think you can easily do matching multi choice question and true and false. You can easily do it. Okay. Otherwise, I will explain. Okay. First question is how to insert clip art in Word file. You know very well. Click on Insert tab, click on Clip Art. Then right side of MS Word window will appear a task pane. Okay, in task pane, you select any one pictures and double click on that picture. So simple question, I think. Second question, what is the features of cropping? Cropping means if you want to remove any portion of image, if you want to decrease or increase the size of picture, then we will be used cropping. Okay. Cropping features of MS Word we would use if we want to remove some part of a pictures. For this, we shall follow some step. Click on Format tab, click on Crop, then 8 black color handles will appear on this picture. Click and invert to this picture that you want to hide. Okay, press the enter key to get the crop image. Okay, see carefully every question. Only 3 or 4 lines answer of every question. Okay. Okay. Before this, everyone read your chapter properly. After that, you carefully watch this video. Okay. Again, I am telling you, if you have any doubt, then you have to mark with pen or pencil in book. After lockdown, I will explain in the classroom. Okay. Read properly, read safe, stay safe, and success at your home. Okay, take care. Bye. See you.